it's Lacey Griniger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty, and welcome to 1061 Walton Way in beautiful Reynolds Lake Oconee. Y'all come on inside and take a look around. Immediately when you walk in the door, you're going to notice this wall of windows that lets in all this natural light and makes you feel like you're surrounded by nature. But don't miss this beautiful tiled wall here in the foyer, along with this custom iron railing here that leads you down to the terrace level. Y'all come on in and check out this main living space. I love this open concept floor plan here. So this living space goes right into the dining room and right into the kitchen. But while we're here in the living room, I want you to notice this really cool fireplace. This is actually a floating fireplace here, which is really unique. I've never seen one of these in person. And this is a gas fireplace, so super easy, flip of a switch. You've got a great fire going and no mess to clean up. Let's check out this beautiful dining space here. I just love all the light, natural, open and airy. We have so many clean lines throughout this home, especially here in this gorgeous kitchen. Check out this mitered edge on these quartz countertops here. Custom cabinetry, of course, high-end appliances throughout this kitchen. We even have this really cool vent hood that does a special light show. You can decide which color you're feeling and set the mood while you're cooking dinner. We have a great walk-in pantry here with custom shelving. There's room for everything you'd ever need in a pantry. Again, more custom cabinetry throughout the kitchen here. And right off the kitchen, we have this great keeping space where we have another gas fireplace that comes on with just a switch. Right off of the keeping room, you have an all-season room. So an all-season room is basically a screen porch. They have vinyl panels put in here. So in the winter, you can close these off, you can turn on your heater and be completely comfortable here, just like you're out on an open porch. Now in warmer months or like a spring day like today, you can take these panels off and it can be a screen porch and you can feel the cool spring breeze. It's awesome. Right off of this all-season room, we have a grilling porch, of course. All right, y'all follow me to see the rest of the house. So coming through the main living space, we're gonna check out the master suite, which is right here off of the foyer. Again, more natural light through these large windows here. This is a beautiful, spacious master suite. The hardwood floors are throughout this room as well. I love how they carry out through the main level. Let's check out this bathroom. Now this is so cool. Talk about spa-like. I love all of the natural elements that were brought here in this custom home. Being in the shower is truly like being in nature. Come check it out. While we're in here, I don't want you to miss this spacious closet here off of the master bathroom. Before we head down to the terrace level, let's go on up and check the upstairs. We have a full guest suite above the garage. All right, now that we've seen the main level and the upstairs, let's take it on down to the terrace level. All right, here on the terrace level, we have 2 additional bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, this really cool wet bar area, secondary living space, and tons of storage. Let's check it all out. So I want you to really notice this beautiful tile backsplash here, this wet bar. What a fun place to come and have drinks. Come check out this bedroom over here. This is one of the 2 bedrooms here on the lower level. You'll notice more windows here, lots of nods to nature in this house. I love all of the light that it brings. And this bedroom has an adjoining bathroom here with plenty of countertop space. Let's go check out the rest of this terrace level. All right, we're on our way to check out the second bedroom, but I want you to notice the stained concrete floors that they chose to put in here on the terrace level. I think it's really cool. Here we are in the 4th bedroom. Now this client used this room as an office, but just in case you have some extra guests that need to stay, there's a Murphy bed. Super cool. All right, let's check out the backyard. We've got another covered deck over here. Huge backyard here, and you're surrounded by woods, which is really unique for the Reynolds Lake Oconee community to have so much privacy. We have about 1.5 acres here on this property, so plenty of room for your family to enjoy all nature has to offer and all Reynolds Lake Oconee has to offer. We are also really close proximity to the newest amenity of Reynolds, which is Richland Point. Thank you so much for going on today's tour with me of 1061 Walton Way. I think you'll agree that this home is truly a work of art. For more information on this property, please visit my website, lifesgoodonlakeoconee.com.